Thank you.
So who is in step 2 or who is still having issue with step 1?
Hi, Olusegun.
Dele is having issues.
Okay.
Olusegun too.
Don't worry, you will share your screen. So if you can stop sharing, because what you see now after the installation is done, you see that
Okay.
you have completed it. So close your Visual Studio and launch it again. So in that
close
time,
this?
you can, yes. Now close it. So close it, close the installer. You don't need it anymore.
This one hit, okay.
No, you don't need it anymore. Now you can now open your Visual Studio again. This time around, it can ask you to sign in if you have not signed in.
Yeah, so where do I find that?
If you know our laptop,
Yeah.
just in the search, just type Visual Studio.
Okay.
Yep. Type Visual Studio. And because you use it a lot of time, please pin it to your taskbar. Like me, you will see everything.
Do I do this 20?
Even
this
at
one here?
work, I pin exactly. So if you click on the forward arrow, I would have said, okay, it's fine because the forward arrow can give you that menu to pin, but it's fine. So what you need to do, if you click on the X for this one to collapse this. Now, where's your visual? Now, right click on it at the bottom and pin it so that you don't have to search for it. So the Visual Studio that is opening for you, right click on it and pin to taskbar. Yeah, pin to taskbar so it stays there forever. So you don't have to look for it, just click on it, it opens. So you just click on continue without code. So our next one will be, I think our next one is to create a project, because it means that some of us are ahead, like Adedola is far ahead of everyone because he has done the step 1, he has done the step 2, he has done the step 3, he has even done maybe step 4. So it means that some of us are ahead, which is good. But if you're not ahead, don't worry, we are here. I'm here. Everyone is here. Rexford is here to support, okay? And yeah. So now let's do the, who is having issue with step? Oh, I think somebody is saying Dele.
Yeah, Olusegun.
Okay, let's see where Dele is then. Okay. If we are all on the same page, then we proceed to step 3, which is create our project.
Okay, let me stop sharing.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. So this is the same thing we tell any interview person or any agency that call you and say that, are you able to set up framework for a company? Just tell them this process is fine. Okay. So where are you now? It says all. Now you need to close this and launch your Visual Studio again so that you can integrate you can do the step 2.
Okay. So I close it.
Yes, please. And open your Visual Studio again. So who is actually here so that we don't go back to step 1? Kiwe, Olusegun, which number are you? Number 2?
Yeah, I'm in the same place. I've just closed it.
Okay, now it means that we will do 2 in 1. So, I did not say you should stop sharing. No, you stop sharing. I only say close Visual Studio.
Oh, dear.
You've actually stopped sharing.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
I've just closed it. Everything is gone.
Yeah.
Okay. Olusegun, you can.
No, the same thing. Everything is gone. My end to.
Everything is gone.
No, close Visual Studio.
I've closed it. I've closed it.
Sharing.
No, I've closed it.
Share again. Share your screen again.
All right. Okay, I will do that now.
Okay. In the search, type Visual Studio. Your laptop, where you have the windows. You know where you have the glass, the search. You know when you're searching for something on your laptop?
Yeah.
Where did you go? Not your browser. You're actually on your browser, on your laptop. Where if you're searching for anything, if you go, to make it easier, if you want to go to control panel, exactly. Now type Visual Studio. Yep. Type Visual Studio. So that's why I always tell people to pin it. Good.
Okay.
Now in the middle, just pin to taskbar. Just click pin to taskbar.
Okay. All right.
Exactly. So now we have it. So you can close it. You can close this one. Yeah, just click anywhere else. And now click on the one you pin. Good. So we can now do the step 2. So did you watch when we were doing it?
Yeah. I'll try.
Okay.
I'll try and get it.
So what will you click on?
It's still coming up.
Okay. So Dele, are you here?
Yeah, I'm with you.
So you can skip this for now, meaning that you can select you need to see this when we are doing all our installation process so that we don't miss a particular step. So now in the development setting, please click on the general and select Visual C#.
Okay.
Yes.
This one.
Yeah, that's C#. And if you want to have the dark screen, it's fine. You can click Start Visual Studio. Okay. Okay, click Continue without code.
Okay.
So Dele, are you here also?
Not yet. I'm just starting up.
Okay. So now click on the extension, manage extension, and we type spec flow.
Manage extension. Where is it?
No, extension at the top, top. Menu. At the top, menu. If your screen pan, if you have a floating zoom everywhere, try to hide it. Or drag it to where you know that you can just drop it there.
How do I do that, please?
Just put your cursor on any free space there and put your cursor down and try to drag it maybe with your hand. Try to have a movement in your hand and where you have the cursor so that it allow you to try. So now,
it's not moving.
Okay, because what we need to do, maybe if you stop sharing, I just tell you, you need to click on extension menu at the top.
Okay, I've seen extension. Yeah.
Exactly. Click on it.
Yeah.
Click on manage extension. Dele, are you actually here also?
Okay.
No.
So where are you?
Something.
Okay, don't worry. You share your screen now.
Should I share my screen?
Okay, now type spec flow. So whoever is watching now, so that I do not repeat this, please get the process now.
Where do I type the?
In the search on the right.
Okay, yeah.
Search. Now type spec flow. Spec flow. Yep. Flow. FL spec flow.
Okay.
Flow. Yeah. FL. Good. So just download the 3.
Okay. All right. I've done that.
So whatever I have taught you, you are going to now teach daily.
Okay.
When you share screen. Because sometimes when you teach people, or Kayode or Adedola, when you teach people, you also learn from it as well. So now you need to, yes, please.
Okay.
And also close your Visual Studio. Close your Visual Studio. It's still open. Yep. So you will see the installer. You see that pop up now? Yeah.
Okay.
So Kayode, can you continue with him? So that
Bimbola,
So what
yeah.
next am I
Yes,
doing
please.
here?
Bimbola,
So
please let me share my screen and see what
okay,
whether
okay, let us
to
finish this process
reinstall,
for him.
whether to
Let's finish.
reinstall or
So you need
something.
to click on
Okay.
modify so that you complete your yeah. So once this is done, you will see close. You close it and launch your Visual Studio again.
Launch here.
You can share your screen, then Kayode, Adedola, Olusegun can carry on. Let's see. And I know we have bodies on call.
Yeah, somebody is still on the screen.
I think it's Olusegun. You might need to stop sharing.
Okay, I will do that now.
Okay. Please, let's help Daily.
Come on.
Okay. After restarting, this is what where I am.
You continue without code.
This is not
You
the
see
page
the
you please.
yeah. Go to the bottom of you see the clone a repository, open the project. That blue line at
I
the
can
bottom
see it.
is
I
a
can
small
see it.
arrow. Yeah. Continue without code. Yeah. You stop sharing.
No, I just clicked. I'll get back on it.
Yeah. It's saying you should.
This is where I took.
This is where it took you. I think you
I
need
know
to.
you were never here. None of you were here.
Yeah, I think you need to close this. Close this one. No, close it.
All I need is Bimbola to just tell me if I want to, if we cannot download again and reinstall.
Yeah, close the. He said you should
Close this one.
this
You need to
first.
close this one.
We need to see what's behind.
Yeah. Where is the
So you're
extension?
already
You
there.
go to the extension. Go to the extension on top.
Follow what he's saying. You're already there.
Extension. You go to the extension. No. At the menu bar. You see the first one, file, edit, view, git, project, debug. So the extension one after the tools. You click no on top of that page.
Okay.
The extension. Go do that. Yeah. Manage extension. Now you go to the search button. Yeah, you write spec flow. Then you download the three. Yeah, you have to close that one. There is one interactive box that will come fee as close that one.
All right.
I think maybe you minimize this one as well. We are looking for that
No, you close it. Close it. Don't minimize.
close it here. Close it. Because you need to modify now. Now you stop sharing.
Delay, why don't you share your whole screen? Because you're not showing your share your
we
whole
need to see
screen.
your screen. You need to share your screen. Yeah, please. This is what we need here.
Yeah.
This dialog box. Modify.
All right.
Close it.
Modifications
Close.
complete.
Yeah, close
All
it. Then open the Visual Studio back again.
right.
Continue without.
Good.
Yeah, thank you, Kayode.
Yeah, Bimbo, sorry,
Yes.
during that when I got to that area, I forgot to click Visual Studio C Sharp Visual.
Okay. Okay.
How will I
We
correct that
need
one?
that. Is very, very important because that's why you will need to slow down when you're clicking. It looks like you can be fast in terms of when you're clicking so that you don't miss it. So you might still need to share your screen again. So okay, Dele is the one sharing screen.
So what
Have
do I,
you?
Coyote?
I
Okay.
think that's where I am. That's where we are now.
Oh, here.
Okay. So who is
Yeah.
sharing screen? It's
Okay,
Dele that is
thanks.
sharing screen.
Yeah, this is my screen.
You've done your extension, right?
Yeah.
Specflow.
Yeah,
Have you
it
done
has
it?
done it.
Okay, that's fine. So the next one will now be to create a project. So you can stop sharing. Let's see if we can fix this issue to select the Visual C Sharp
I've not,
and just
Coyote, I've not done managing extensions. No.
Okay,
You've done it already.
Okay.
that's what you've just
You've
done.
done it
Oh.
already, Dile.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. So
Yes.
yeah,
Stop
Yeah,
sharing.
excuse me, guy.
okay.
Yeah, I'm here now. Do I need to close the window again?
Who is sharing screen?
I think it's Dele.
Okay, now
I've stopped
you
sharing
can
now.
no, you don't need to close this screen again. You can just wait for us.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, because you've done the step 1, step 2. Yeah, you can wait for us. The step 3 will now be to create our test projects. Then when we do the step 3, we will now do our nugget package. So we
Sorry, Bimbo. Can I just show you where I am so I will know that I'm in the right place? I don't want to drag the thing back again.
Okay,
right.
let's see where you are.
All right. Sorry. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
This,
Have you done the step 2? Which is the spec flow extension?
Yes, I've done that.
Okay, that's fine. You
Yeah, then
actually
I launched the Visual Studio again. And it
okay,
brought me
that's
here.
fine. The only
Okay.
thing is that you did not close your what's new. What's new is still showing, which is fine.
Okay, so I need to close this again.
No, the tab, what's new. You can close it, except if you want to read all this information, it's just for you to read.
Okay. Everything's gone.
No, it's fine.
It's
You should
blank.
see this. Yeah, it's fine. That is what you should see.
Okay.
Because you have not created your test project.
All
Did
right.
you get it? So that is what you will see. So if Kayode can share screen, let's see if we can find that where we can see the general setting to select the Visual C#. Okay, if you continue with our code, please. Okay, if you go to, let's see. Okay.
I think there's another way out to that.
Okay, please.
If we close this, you can close the Visual Studio. Yeah, open the Visual Studio again. The only thing there is that he has to click on create new project. Now at the top, when it says all language, scroll down, click, yeah, then select C#.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Moses. Okay, so we are actually at this stage now, which is the step 3. So we can continue from you sharing screen. So who is in step 1 and 2? Because it looks like everybody's in step 3 now, except Adedola, which is already maybe 4 or 5. So who is in step 1? Nobody.
Don't create yet. Don't create yet. Hold on. Go back.
Yeah, I said
Feedback.
be patient.
Hold on.
And yeah,
Hold
be
on. Stay there.
patient. Okay.
Hold on there.
Okay. Yeah. Olumide, which number are you? If you're a body, it's fine.
Good evening. I'm a body. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. So let's see. I know Olusegun is here. Dele is here. Moses is also a body as well. You can reach out. Olumide is also a body. Suleiman. The last time I did call your name, you are actually in this meeting today. Can you show us or tell us what step, where exactly are you? Step 1 or step 2? Or you are a body? Let us know. Suleiman. Please unmute. The reason is because this is the second meeting I'm mentioning your name. It will not be nice if you also needed one of us and nobody is speaking to you. Did you get it? Because the last meeting I did call your name as well and no response. But you're in the meeting, you are a QA. So if you're at work, let us know that, oh, I can't talk, I'm at work. Put it in the chat. I'm at work, or but of course, please try to unmute and let us know the issue, or if you are ahead of the class, it's fine. Well, it's fine. And we don't have to force you to talk anyway, but I'm just letting you know that if you reach out that you needed help sometime, is also good if you are also cooperating with the team as well, like not staying muted, and when you're being called, you decide not to answer or mute. It's not nice as well to the tutor. Okay, but of course, you paid for this 1 month, so I'll just let you be. And who is also here? And I think everyone is on the same page now, so we can carry on. So who is sharing screen?
I'm still on the blank page. So
okay, Olusegun. So we can start step 3 now. No, yeah. I think you are not meant to share. It was Kayode that was sharing screen, right?
Yeah.
Or is it you?
Yeah,
no,
I was sharing
Kayode,
screen.
she shared like the last time.
So I think we were here. So who is now sharing now? Olusegun or Kayode?
I think my name is there.
Let's start with Kayode first, because you can follow along.
Yeah,
because he's already sharing screen.
I know. How do you get to configure your new project? This is
okay. Now, what you need to do from the blank screen, just click on file.
Okay.
And click on new project.
Okay.
And if Kayode can go back so that you can see what you will see.
Yeah, I'm on new, then I should press on project, right?
Yes, project. All right. And you will see templates, search for spec flow.
Is there already? I can see.
Okay, now select it, and you will now be here. You will now be here.
Should it select the step flow project, or should press on the new?
Yeah, you need to. Yes. No, you select
download,
the spec flow.
You download on the.
No, you have done that one. He's doing the step 3.
I didn't get that place. Can you come again?
Okay. If you can stop sharing, Kayode, let's see where he is.
Yeah. In fact, I hide the thing and I can't find it.
Now, let me see if I can put override multiple.
I even want, maybe
you can override. You can override Kayode by sharing your screen. I've enabled that functionality.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want me to share now?
Yes, please. Let's see the issue. Okay. Let's see your Visual Studio.
I'm here now.
Okay. No, you're not meant to be showing us all of this. You're meant to show us Visual Studio itself. Yeah. You know, I don't know if I asked you to pin it to taskbar.
It's already on his taskbar down there.
Okay, click on it, please.
Beside the Zoom.
Yeah, I've clicked on it. I've clicked on it.
On the Zoom.
Maybe you're not sharing the whole of your screen.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so you need to share everything.
You need to stop sharing and share again.
Hey, it shows you're still sharing your screen.
I think it has been override.
Yeah, you can override it.
Can you see me now?
You need to share the whole of your screen. Stop sharing and click on the share again.
Okay.
You have not stopped. Okay.
I think this style this screen.
Okay.
No. Can I leave and come back to the breakout room?
Hold on. Let's see if I can stop Kayode from sharing screen.
Because I can't find the bar because
I've stopped you from sharing. So now please try to look for it. Okay. Now, Olusegun, you can share your screen. Let's see.
Can you see me now?
Okay, now you need to select the spec flow. So who is actually here so that we don't come back here again? Dele, are you here?
I'm here, but I don't have the ones at the bottom. I just have the spec flow project. That's all that is showing.
Yeah, it's fine because your own you just filter.
Okay.
So I should click on this now.
Yeah, click on it and click on next. That is where Coyote is.
Okay.
And so Coyote, did you want Olusegun to continue or you want to share your screen again?
Let Olusegun continue.
Okay. So what you need to do is to put your project name. So which squad are you?
Ruby.
Okay, now put Ruby Olusegun project because this is on your own personal device. So
I need to clear the spec flow project away from there.
Okay. Yes, please. Now type Ruby. Olusegun.
Okay.
Anyhow you want to put it, just make sure that there is no space and it has to be camel case, which means that every first letter starts with capital letter.
Okay. Ruby.
Olusegun, no space, capital letter O.
Is it gonna be like this?
No, Olusegun, everything typed together.
Okay.
Project. Capital letter P. It's very important to as a tester.
Okay. Okay.
Hammer case.
Yes, please.
I've done that.
So the next one is when I talk about your location. This particular session part is very, very important. We get it because some of us, when we just select the default one, we might not be able to find our project. But Olusegun, you need to click on the 3 dots. When you click on the 3 dots, you open our file explorer, then we will save our project in the C drive, inside the C drive. So it depending on how our laptop is, some of us we have Windows, some of us we have this PC. So where did you have your C drive? Let's check if you scroll down, let's go to this PC.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. You need to scroll down more to see. Yes, you have the local drive. So we just click on local drive. So some of us, we have this PC, some of us have the local drive. So with his own, it's fine. So we now need to not right click. Let's select a folder, create a folder from here. We have the menu at the top for us to do the work. We have the menu, new folder at the top. Good. Click on it. Now call it Olusegun Automation Project. No space.
Yeah.
No space. You need to delete new folder.
Sorry.
Camel case.
All together?
Yes, please. Your Segun should start with your capital letter.
The automation with capital letter too?
Yes.
So I've done that.
Yeah. So if you want to put your S as capital letter, also.
Sorry, I has not added the project.
Okay, please add projects. Add projects.
Olusegun Automation Project, right?
Yeah.
Sure, Bimbo, mine is this PC. So let's just do the same thing.
Click on this PC, then it opens all the drive that you have. If you have a different drive, you open it. If you only have C drive, it's fine. So when you click on this PC, now select the C drive, then you will be on the same page as I think is Olusegun sharing screen. So what you will now do,
I just have.
So click anywhere. Now double click on the folder.
Is that for me or for Olusegun?
For Olusegun. Olusegun, you need to save that. How do you save your new folder that you created?
Right click.
No, you don't need to right click again. Just click anywhere outside the.
Okay.
Click anywhere. Click. You have to put your cursor inside your file explorer. And click anywhere. Exactly. Click anywhere. Okay. Now double click Olusegun automation project. Yeah, this is where we want to store everything. So now, because we have already put our part and everything that we want to store, our project here, now select folder now. Good. Select folder. So you can see the parts, the location part. C drive, your new folder, and everything else is after. Okay. So solution name and project name goes together, but sometimes you can click on the, why did you have projects will be created in Olusegun automation project, Ruby Olusegun project, Ruby. No, this is strange. Why did you have that at the bottom? Are you the one that copied the text, or?
Which one? This very one?
No, projects will be created in C#. Yeah, that one.
No, I didn't do that.
It's kind of weird.
Same is showing on my own as well. The same thing.
That is the 2022 that I talk about. So you might need to go with it, or install 2019 as well. Because with 2022, you might be seeing a lot of strange things. Because you are not supposed to see that part there. But maybe the way they have updated their version now, they make everybody see the part. Okay, so now click on the text box and check box at the bottom.
That's correct.
Okay, click on create. Yes, you are doing well. So this is the next screen. You already have everything set up, which is fantastic. So, you know, in my screenshots, I have the .NET 6.0, and I have the NUnit, and I have the Flint library on checkbox, which is already checked. Yeah, maybe in the next it's just to create project and add Nugget package.
Oh, because I want to close this session.
Okay. In the next 5 minutes.
No, you only got 1 minute. Unless if you want to still come back anyway.
Okay. So are you able to watch the video and do the step 3 and 4? Then in our next class, we can start from where you stop.
Can't we just stay behind and finish this, Bimbo?
Yeah, we can, but the time is, maybe in the next 30 minutes.
Can I quickly share and show you where I've just stopped before I do something wrong? Segun, do you mind if I just...
This will redirect